Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can use Instagram quiz sticker and story. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application and I'm going to create a story on my Instagram, and I'm going to click on your story right here, and then I'm going to upload image from my gallery. For example, I'm going to upload this image. Okay, and then we can go to the sticker menu right here, and as you can see guys that there is no quiz option here. I think the Instagram has already removed it, but don't worry because we can still create a quiz on our Instagram story using this poll option. You can select poll and you can ask a question to your followers as a quiz. For example, I'm going to add this question. What is this? Okay, and then I'm going to add option here. For example, I'm going to add hamster, mouse, and cat. Just a random question. And once you're done, you can click on done, or you can do styling for your quiz. You can tap on this icon to change the style. Okay, you can choose the color that you want for your quiz, and you can click on done, and then you can zoom in or zoom out, and you can place this quiz sticker to any part of your Instagram story. Okay, and once you're done, you can click on your story to share this Instagram story with a quiz on it. Okay, now this story is being uploaded, and then I'm going to try to open it with my another Instagram account. Wait guys. Okay, wait, let me find my own Instagram story. Okay, this is my account guys, and then I'm going to try to answer it. All right. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use quiz sticker and Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.